All right, YouTube folks, we are on Q28. We're going to be looking at Tuesday's picture graph here, and then we're going to be looking at Monday's irregular shape area. And if we have time, maybe we'll do one more. Okay, so looking at the picture graph, you can see that we already did yesterday's. Draw a picture graph that matches the data. Okay, you can see they give you a graph down here. So a part of it you just need to transfer over. You need to transfer over some of the information to the new graph. We got green, we got blue, purple, and red. Just put the first letter of the word. Save yourself some writing. Okay, now look at what they do here. They do a crayon equals 2 people. I'm not really a fan of the rectangle because how are you going to show half of that? So if that is a full crayon, sometimes we have to do half. Is that going to be half? Then it gets kind of confusing. Is that a full or a half? Because a full rectangle and a half rectangle kind of look like the same. So I think let's change that to a circle. Just like yesterday's was a circle, I think it's better to stick with a circle. Now you can show half of an ice cream and you can do half of a football because a half of a football is going to kind of look like that. Whereas in a full football is going to kind of look quite a bit longer and it's not going to have a straight edge, okay? Whereas in a rectangle, no matter what you do, they kind of look alike. So let's change the rectangle to a circle. All right, so green has 8. How many circles do we need if every circle is 2? We're gonna need 4, I would imagine. 2, 4, 6, 8. We're skip counting by 2s until we get to 8. Okay, what about blue? Try to make the picture the exact same size. So don't make these all of a sudden real small. Are those circles? Yes. Are they too small? Yes. Try to make your pictures the exact same size. We're going to skip count by 2s again until we get to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Trying to keep them the same size. Purple is 6. 2, 4, 6. Red is 9. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, if I do another circle that's 10, I can't do that. So I got to do half of a circle. That clearly looks like half of a circle because of the straight line and a curve. You could rewrite the numbers there. That was 8. That was 10. That was 6. And red was 9. So we just converted this graph into a picture graph. Okay. All right, looking at Monday's irregular shape. Now we added that line there, but you either want to cut the shape here or you want to cut it there. This is an irregular shape because it's an L. So let's cut it here. Whoop. Okay, now you can kind of use your hand to see the 2 different shapes. Uh-oh, I got a lot of numbers here. 8 goes with this line, so you're not going to choose that 8. The 5 looks like that line. The 4 looks like this line. What is this 8, though? Oh, it looks like the 8 includes this entire line. We do not want that part, though, because that's a part of our other rectangle. So we do not want the 8. We want the 5 and the 4, which is 20. 20. Okay? Come over to the other rectangle. What do we have here? You can use your hand. Oh, that one's easy. Oh, we do have that 8, though. But the 8 is only this piece, not the entire thing. We need the entire thing, so we're not using the 8. Okay? 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 3 is 36. You got to memorize your 12s. Okay, 36 plus 20, 56 centimeters squared is the complete answer. I'm primarily looking for 56. Let's see, do we have time for one more? 63 divided by 7 is 9. This is a fact family. 9 times 7 is 63. It's part of a fact family. If you see 9 and 7, you should immediately be thinking 63. If you know your multiplication facts, 63 should jump out at you. Same thing here. Uh-oh, I see 7 and 8. What's the other number that completes the fact family? 56. It should jump out at you. Should I assume it's 56? No. You should read the question just to make sure. A doctor saw 8 patients a day for 7 days. So that's basically 7 days, 8 patients each day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So 7 times 8 is 56. Okay. There is your math review for Monday 2.8.